guys, what's up? We are back again with another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how we can deploy or host our web application on NETLIFY for free. So NETLIFY provides a free service and also a paid service, but we are going to be use the free service to deploy or host our web application, and this might be useful for you in order to showcase your dummy or like portfolio projects for free. So follow along with me. First of all, you just need to go to NETLIFY. Here it is. Yeah. If you are new to not NETLIFY, kindly log in. Otherwise, sign up for free. I'll be logging in. Yeah. So as you can see, this is NETLIFY and this is my dashboard for the NETLIFY. And in order to deploy an application, I have created a free, like a dummy application for you, which I am going to show you how we can deploy over NETLIFY. So first of all, in the code, I have already written this dummy application. I want you to, in the terminal, to type npm run build, and just look at over here. It is going to create a build folder for us. Yeah, you can see it is creating a build folder for us that we are going to deploy over NETLIFY. Sometimes it takes time. Let's give, yeah, it's done. So our build has been created. Now we'll go onto NETLIFY. And in here, in the sites, we can like include a new site, or like we can also drag and drop our build folder over here. So I'm going to browse from my uploads. This one is, I'll be uploading this one, build folder. So it might take some time, 5 to 10 seconds, or might be a minute. Let's follow along and wait for some time. It is currently in process. It is showing upload. We can also check the details, and it will be showing us the deployment blog. Yeah, as you can see, it has given us that the site is live. And if you scroll up, you can see that it provides us a link to which our website has been deployed. If I am going to open this in a new tab, you can see that my web application has been hosted onto this particular domain for free. Yeah, as you can see, this is my deployed site. This is my local environment site, and it has been deployed successfully. So the benefit of this is that you can showcase these kind of dummy projects on your portfolio over LinkedIn and various other platforms to outscale or than others. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video for more amazing content like this. Follow along with me and see you in the next one. Thank you so much.